Commercial lighting upgrades can be time-consuming and material-heavy, requiring controls, cables, conduit, plaster, and tools. Success means careful planning to effectively meet project requirements and stay on budget. Using wired lighting control, a contractor can spend days wiring a simple office space, even if it's just basic switches. And adjusting for unexpected surprises behind the walls or in the ceiling can be costly. With Vive Wireless, the same install can be completed up to 70% faster, saving time and money. There's no need to pull wires, no need for new backboxes, and less fishing for wires through sheetrock. Vive Wireless Lighting Control is simple to install, whether you're working in one small space or installing a whole building project.
This will be easy.
And it's perfect for both new construction and existing buildings. Install controls, sensors, and even wireless switches wherever you need them. Vive wireless controls can be programmed using the simple app in about 15 minutes. And finally, to finish the job on time, you have to be able to get product when and where you need it. Vive Wireless is in stock and available at thousands of distributor counters throughout the US and Canada, ready for your next job. But don't take our word for it. Actual customers tell us. To learn more about Vive for your next project, visit lutron.com/Vive saves time.